Welcome back to another Meet the Dancers. Right here we have Megan and Josh. Let's get to know them. And all right, we have Josh and Megan. I want you guys to just tell us a little bit about yourself. Let's start with Josh.
Well, I started dancing back in high school. I actually lost a bet to a girl, and so I had to take a ballroom class with her. It was a lot of fun, and I fell in love with it. I switched over to hip hop my last year of high school. I didn't like all the rules in ballroom. I kind of liked being able to do my own thing and have fun with it.
Nice. So that's how you got into. All right, good. Megan, you?
I've kind of always been into dance when I was younger. My friends would always do like dances for the talent show. So that's kind of how I got into it. And then I did musical theater for a couple of years. And then I fell out of dance for a few years. And then K-pop happened.
K-pop,
And
yeah.
then I was like, wow, this is fun. Why did I stop doing this? And so I decided to sign up for a dance class. And that's how I got into Seach's class. And then I've been coming back ever since.
Nice. So I'm gonna ask something a little bit different. Can you guys think of a dance move that you guys really wanted to learn, you know, ever since you were little? And of course, maybe you know it already, or maybe you're still trying to learn. Is there anything that jumps off the top of your head right now?
Well, I'm still trying to learn the windmill.
The windmill.
I've been trying to learn that since high school.
Right.
Several years now.
So maybe you could let's just talk about windmill, because I'm sure a lot of people, and me included, when I first saw the windmill, I'm just like, that's amazing. I want to try to do that. So how's your progress on that, Josh?
Well, not great. I like when I started, I just started like doing all the exercises they told me. Like I was watching a lot of YouTube videos and just practicing like the planks that they told me to exercise with and get used to, the hang glider and stuff. And then
How long have you been trying that?
Oh,
if you could put a number.
Let's see, about 5 years.
About 5 years. That's normal. I mean, I hear people, you know, trying for a long time, so that's good. How about you, Megan? Anything stand out?
Can't think of anything. I don't know. I want to learn more tricks, but I don't know which ones. Knowing the worm would be kind of cool.
Okay, right. Cool. Okay, good. So now, I know, well, most people don't know how long you've been in my class. So maybe you guys talk about how long you've been in my class, and maybe one of the best things you like about the class here at Cabrillo. We'll start with you, Josh.
Well, I've been in the class now 3 semesters, and my favorite thing is probably just like the community. Like, we've got a lot of really talented people who come in and it's their first class, and they just kind of like stick with it and keep going. They get really, really good by just 1 semester.
Right.
It's really surprising how like just from the beginning to the end, how much people can get better, especially when they're first starting.
Very nice. Megan?
This is my 5th semester, I think. It's been a while.
You're definitely a veteran in here.
I don't know, it's just a fun class. Like, you get really close with the people that keep coming back, and you just like get to mess around with them in class, and it's a blast.
Especially when you guys perform, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you guys could talk a little bit about that. I mean, I know a lot of the first-time students, first-time dancers, were just scared to death, you know, to perform. Not just perform, you know, on stage, but also just scared to perform in front of each other. So maybe we could talk about that. Maybe, you know, do you remember your first time feeling? Josh, we'll start with you.
Well, first off, the scared to death never goes away. You just get better at handling it.
Right.
And performing is a lot of fun though. Like when you're going into it, it's really scary. It's like, why did I sign up for this? But by the end of it, it's like, I want to do this again, and how can I do this again soon?
Maybe that adrenaline kicked in, or did you say something like that? Yeah.
It's a lot of adrenaline. It's a lot of fun though. I think everybody should perform someday.
Right. Megan?
I don't know. Like I said, I've been doing like talent shows and performing in that, and like singing, playing instruments. So it's like it's not that unknown or like foreign to me. So I'm kind of used to it. But the good trick that I think Tom Holland said was turn your nerves into
Tom Holland, the Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn your nerves into excitement, and then you just like get more pumped for the show. That's kind of what I do. Is like I get a little nervous, but I just like use that to put more energy into it.
Okay. Yeah, that's very cool. So, one last question. Let's leave this with the viewers now. I know a lot of people on YouTube trying to learn, but also, and then this is why we have this section, Meet the Dancers. You know, what tips would you give somebody who's starting off, you know, about learning to dance?
I would say just going out and like actually doing it. Like watching YouTube and practicing at home always helps, but it's never the same as like when you go out and actually dance with other people or in front of other people. And so there's tons of classes all around everywhere. Just going out and just like trying a class for the first time, it's always going to be difficult the first class.
Right.
And just sticking with it. And
Right. So just go for it. Just go for it. What about those people that says, hey, you know, it's kind of easy to just say go for it, but how do you deal with the nerve, you know?
I would say get some friends together that have the same interests.
That's a very good idea. Yeah, get some friends. Megan, what do you think?
Same thing, honestly.
Same thing.
Just go for it. If you have friends that are like, I kind of want to try dancing too, then just like sign up for a beginner class together and see what you think.
Right. That's a good tip. Great. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Let's get back to practice. Hey.